We're back, another episode of Under 2 Minutes, and today we are going over the Curvature tool. Now, this tool works very similar to the pen tool with being able to use paths to make shapes, but this one focuses on smooth corner points. The pen tool could do either corners or smooth depending on what you did and how you drew it, but this one is specifically smooth. So the keybind for this is Shift tilde, and when you first click it, you're going to see that same asterisk, but the pen is going to have a little curve line to show you you're actually using the curvature tool. First click drops an anchor point, and second click you don't have that line like you did with the pen tool, and that's because when you click that second time, you're going to create essentially a fulcrum. A rubber band effect will go around that second point depending on where you're going to drag that next anchor. So the curvature tool uses fulcrums to make curved or smooth corner points, as you can see here. And as you drag them and drop, you'll keep getting that rubber banding effect until you go to close this path and you get that circle. Now, this can be manipulated the same way with the direct selection tool. You can click anchors, you can drag down their handles to make it a little more curved depending on what you want. You can drag the anchor up. Or I could even convert this anchor, this path, to a corner point by using the Properties tab and clicking over here. So the curvature tool is very nice for getting rounded objects. You can combine it with the actual pen tool to get some very intricate shapes. But that is it. That is the curve tool along with the pen tool. They are very similar.